Hello people of Banter, Dead here, and I'm going to be covering today on how to create avatars for Banter or Ready Player Me. So far, Banter uses the Ready Player Me service for avatars themselves, but within the last few months, they've enabled users like myself and other creators on the platform on how to build avatars. Members of the community have built files to help you build said avatars. So I'm going to quickly showcase how you can go and find and get these pieces for yourself. So right now I'm in the avatar making chat, and right here in the pin chat, we have added functions added to this. That was a lean on February. We have this zip file here. Perfect. We just download this zip. It's fine. Aline's trustworthy. We're just going to download it and upload it there. This will give us this. Now inside Ready Player Me, or Blender itself, we're going to go to Edit and Preferences. Here, if I remove that, we can go and go to Add-ons and Install. And we're going to go and scroll down to find RPM Tools. Double tap it. And make sure we have it. Which we do. It's right here. Which is a benefit. Another helpful way is to go and share something useful. And in here, if we go back far enough, we will be able, I've most probably skipped it, unweighted vertexes with peroxide. Here, we have the unweighted. We can quickly download this also. And we have the PY file. Here, we have that simple PY. We go here, edit, preferences, install, and we don't see the PY there. We want to just have a simple refresh and make sure everything good happens, and we'll have a quick look again. Unweighted PI. With that, modules installed. So now when we go here, we have mesh, find unweighted vertices, and when we write RPM, object RPM tools. Make sure both of them are ticked. But so far, I don't have my unweighted preferences. So I'm just gonna quickly, it's just buggy. But I'm not going to showcase how to use unweighted because today I'm going to be showcasing how we can create a simple avatar. So, first of all, we're in Blender. I'm in version 3.6 currently. So that's first of all, don't use 4, use 3.6 if that helps a lot of people. But we have the RPM tools right here. But loads armatures, there's a set names and rename shapes, as well as test animations. So, here, I'm just going to quickly enable a male armature. And we're going to make it sure that we have it face on. So, simply, we have a quick male armature. We're going to quickly create a simple armature for, let's say, someone new. So we want to make I'm going to just showcase quickly how we can use the primitive materials within Blender to help build us a model. So we can go to mesh and we can pick any of these options. So right here, I've done a cube, I've done an icosphere, I've done a cylinder, I've done a cone. So I'm going to do a quick cylinder. Just build a quick few pieces of this body. We're just going to make you a quick torso. I like height, but I'm just going to make you a little bit thinner, make you a little bit taller. So we have like a simple piece there on the armature. And then I'm just going to duplicate this to give us some few arms to help us out here. So right here, I'm just gonna have an arm. Scale you down. I'm gonna rotate you to that. And we're gonna simply just put you in where the upper arm would go. And so far we're only going to do one side of the arm because I'm going to show a quick trick. Because this is what I would like to call a pieced avatar. So here I'm just going to make me a lower arm by Control and C. I'm going to increase the actual size of that font to a 32. So Control C. So that can be shown. Here, I've Control C and V'd it so many fucking times, but this time I've V'd it, and I'm going to position you to be the lower arm. So here, bring you down, push you forward a little bit, but I'll make you a little bit smaller. And then push you there, up there, and more into the arm itself. So we have a simple arm, body. I'm going to quickly go and get me a leg. So I'm going to copy this piece. And we're going to quickly just give me some quick legs. Just make sure you're centered. And we're just going to give you that little bit more shape to you. So we're just going to continue building and get the bottom leg, rotate you so you match your position. So we're just so far just building our model right now. So far we have a single arm, leg. So it's there. Now the reason why I missed the arms and the legs is due to it's simple. We're going to mirror them over to the other side after. But that's fine for now. I'm going to quickly give us a quick head. So we can have a head for this character, at least. And we're going to pull you down a bit. Spin you out a little bit. And there. You got a little head, at least. So with this, we've got quite a few pieces of the body. We have arms, body, and legs. Now, with this, we have head. Why you set head? Okay, that's fine. We're going to collect. We're going to click on one of these and shift so they all highlight blue. We're going to Control left click the armature. Go to parent and automatic groups. Here, they're all going to be in this category. And each of these have their own individual categories. Or we're going to just try and weight paint these to the armature. Let's put it. I'm going to left click on the armature and then Control left click the mesh itself. And I'm going to go to weight paint. So we now go into this lovely mode here. I'm going to increase the radius and we want to go from draw to add. Here. And then we're going to go also up to here on options and go to auto normalize. Here we can just tap and Control left click the bone we want, so it's there. We're just going to tap it so it paints it red. And we're going to do this for the rest of the body. Control left click, Control left click the leg, or get weight paint the leg. Make sure everything is weight painted. We have the head. Just hide that so I can grab the head and then paint. And then one more piece, the body. So I'm going to do the body in two ways. We've just done a simple tap. I'm going to give it that this body has a curve. So right here I have that top spine. And I'm going to put a gradient tool on it. So when I click on this, it gives me half. That's good. I can increase that as much as I want. How far I want it to spread. Oh, oops. We want it to go flat down. And then we're going to do the same with the back. So simply, that those are weight painted. And we're going to quickly check that they were weight painted by using the unweighted category here. We're going to go here. We're going to tap on our mesh and just click here. It is that. We're going to left click off. And all the vertices are fine. We're going to check the body next. Click off. All the vertices are fine. Well, it's fine. You can check all those. But right here, we have a few things we want to do. I'm going to join the arms together by going Control J. And I'm going to do the same with the legs to join up the meshes together. So now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 meshes properly together. I'm going to quickly mirror this one arm on this one side. By going here, we're going to go all transforms, so you're on the 0, 0 marker, and we're going to mirror you to the other side. What works? That sits well, and that also takes the weight painting for us. We're going to just do the same with the legs. All transforms, so it's all 0, 0, mirror, looks fine, apply. We're going to also just do all transforms on the other pieces of this model. So, we simply have a model here right now. But Ready Player Me has a few issues with naming and all that. So I'm going to showcase quickly... Oh, I better be fucking recording. I'm going to quickly showcase the correct names, what should be used within Ready Player Me for the mesh and the materials. Well, I'm going to quickly create materials for each of these by going here, select here, and we have a material for the arms. They don't like this simple base color. We're going to make an image texture, and we're going to create a quick texture. I'm going to go here so I can showcase that it looks like there's nothing there. And I'm going to make you white. And we're going to do the same with all the rest of these. We're going to go Material 01, Material 01, Material 01. And now we have these 4 instances also. We want individual instances per. So that's good. Now, we have the materials on here. Now we just got to go and get the naming done. So back to Aline's RPM tools. We have set names, where we can set to anything. So these, I'm going to name to top, because it's the top of the body. And right here, it's given us the wolf 3D underscore outfit underscore top. That is a simple thing to have, or that is the name what Ready Player Me uses to input their avatars. And we're going to go through and give these all the same. We're going to name the legs, bottom. I'm going to do the body first. Your body, and you to be head. And we're just going to get rid of that 001 there, and you're fine there. So simply, there's a Ready Player Me avatar here. But Ready Player Me likes their forms being exported within a certain category or file type. We're going to export it as a GLB or TF2. But it's going to give us a GLB. Here, it's going to call you... I'm just going to call you tube. I would normally call it tubes, because that's my normal branding. And we're going to go here into our studio. People don't know how to quickly make a studio. We can quickly create one by just going to Ready Player Me Studio. But I'm going to add it to the Dead Z category. So I'm going to go to my Asset Manager, and right here we have some models. We're going to go here, and I'm just going to quickly give them a name, Tube. we're going to give him a type. It's a hero avatar character, and it's neutral. It's going to be a neutral character. Here, we're going to give you that. And right here, we have a simple character. Arms, legs, and boom. So, simply, save an image. So we have that. Go here. We have that. And we're going to select our application by ticking there and click in there. So now, when you're inside Ready Player Me, you have your application link right here. Right here. When you click here, you can go and find it. We're going to go up here quick. I'm going to give it a quick click. Now here, brand new, not signed in to Ready Player Me. No sign in. And right here is your application. You can see where everything is. All the clothes and all that. We're going to go down to this icon right here. We can see all the other avatars I've made. And here is the cone. This also works with a male avatar. Yep, don't care. And boom. Works with a male. But I'm going to quickly showcase that everything works like a normal character should. When we get back into Blender, we have an option down here called Test Animation. If I click this, it will just put it in a T-pose, and it moves the mesh. But we can go and play this. And it gives us that quick glimpse of an animation. What Aline's quickly made for us. But simply, that's just showing the position of the arms. What is perfect. So if you're unsure that Civic Sway painted to an arm properly, you can check it that way. But that is all for how to make a avatar, or basic avatar, within Ready Player Me. So hopefully people have learned something today, and I'll see everybody again very soon. Bye!